Welcome back to the channel. Got a chair today. Helinox lightweight outdoor adventure equipment. This is called their Savannah chair and it's the tallest one in the range. It is a full-size chair. This is a cool little piece of kit. I've had it for a couple of months. I just thought I'd do a quick review on it because there's a few things I don't like about it. So I'll just run you through it, how quick it is to set up and pack up, I suppose too. Comes in this little bag. The frame is inside it, right there. It's as easy as just letting all the bungee cords find their places. So right, so that's the skeleton done. So there's a sleeve on the back of these. The material feels nice. It doesn't feel like it's going to rip. It is very well constructed. It's very cool to sit in too with all the mesh in it. It's really, it's a good chair. If once you've jumped in the surf or whatever and you get back out, if you're wet, you do dry pretty quickly in it, and the seat dries really quickly too. I've been in and out of the surf all weekend. Right, that's it done. This can also be a headrest. One thing that I don't like, well, not like about it, but the wind will blow it over fairly easily, especially if you've got a bit of weight up here. As far as the seat itself goes, I really like it. It's super comfy. I like the webbing on the side. Can guarantee if you sit in this in front of the fire, you're going to fall asleep. Love it. It's nice to sit around. It does do the stubby holder test. It does fit a can or a bottle with a stubby holder into these. It gets the big tick from me. It's probably not the easiest chair to get out of when you've got a bit of a sump, but that's okay. Roll it up. There we go. The Helinox Savannah chair. I like it. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe and we'll see you in the next one.